Hi, thanks for checking out this awesome virtual receptionist AI demo. It's really easy to use. All you got to do is fill out the form, and at the bottom, you're going to see information about your business. So enter your website, your business name, give your bot a name, which is always awesome, and then tell us a little bit about what you want the bot to accomplish. A little note, the form fields for the objectives are kind of set up for home services. So if you're not a home service and you're a gym, you should still be able to use most of the options in those fields, and the bot will take care of the questions that it asks. It's actually a very good test if you don't have a home services biz. But anyway, thank you again for checking out this page. Try out the virtual receptionist. I don't know what side of the page it's on. If you like it, that's awesome. Go through the whole thing, and at the end of the demo on your phone, it's going to try to schedule you on a fake calendar for your demo, and then it's going to try to book a real appointment with me. So if you're interested in actually getting conversational AI hooked up to your business, contact me directly, make an appointment on this site, or let the bot demo make an appointment with you if you stick to the very end. So have fun, and I'll see you at the next demo.